Hello and welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Kate and I'm an editor here at Sallie Tomato. We are winding down on our Holiday Royale Advent Box as we open day 23. Day 23. A sophisticated look and feel. This item is hand selected and cut to be used for day 25. Today's item is an alligator faux leather that really elevates those handmade bags to a designer level. In this day's package, you'll find 2 pieces of faux alligator leather that are specifically cut for an upcoming project. I would recommend holding on to this faux leather. You may really enjoy it with the next 2 days' items. This is one of the many varieties of soft and pliable textures that our faux leather comes in. This vegan material is a great option for bag making due to its durability, ease of maintenance, and resistance to moisture. You can find the link below that directs you to our blog for sewing with faux leather with additional tips and information. I hope you enjoyed today's item. I know it's one of my favorites. Please share and show off your photos of your completed project. We'd love to see your style. Use the hashtag Sallie Tomato and Sallie Tomato Advent Box on social media so we can see it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to our channel. That way you'll always know when a new video or tutorial releases. Thanks for watching, and remember, there's always time to have a great making day.